morning, everyone! So, we are going to Provence. At syempre, kasama pa rin ang tropa. So, we take the bus from Marne-les-Balis. So, ayan sila, hindi nakatingin. Kaway-kaway! Ayan. Si Bless, si Jude, at saka si Michelle. Hello, everyone!
La Fontaine. Destination Gare SNCF, prochain arrêt.
Akala ko ba nagkanin ka? Medyo malayo-layo din ang biyahe. It takes an hour going to Provence. So, ayan, medyo natatanungan natin. Malapit-lapit ka. But, it's worth it naman going there from Marne-les-Balis.
Provins est composé de la ville haute, le Châtel, et de la ville basse, le Val. Notre parcours passe par les principaux monuments du Châtel. Devant nous se dresse la porte Saint-Jean qui défend l'accès par la route de Paris.
Provins is divided into two sectors, the upper town or castle and the lower town or vale. Our visit will cover the main sites of the upper town. In front of us, guarding the old road from Paris, is St. John's Gate.
Possède encore 1200 mètres de remparts avec 16 tours et 2 portes. Construit surtout pendant la première moitié du XIIIe siècle, il faisait partie de la troisième enceinte de Provins. Ces fortifications. Voici la tour aux engins, la plus imposante de l'enceinte. Elle mesure quelques 20 mètres de haut avec une épaisseur de mur supérieure à 2 mètres.
The impressive corner tower here on our right is known as the Engine Tower. It is the largest in the battlements and stands over 65 feet high, with walls more than 6 feet thick. The Eagles of Provins falconry show is on the inside of the walls, about 100 yards from the gate. It's just after the Jouy gate. The entrance for the Eagles of Provins falconry show is on the inside of the walls, about 100 yards from the gate. The 17th century, but it used to offer 3 days free lodging for vagrants, children, old people and pilgrims.
la croix d'échange. On y criait et affichait les édits de la ville et les changeurs de monnaie travaillaient juste à côté. À quelques mètres de la croix, le puits féodal et l'eau directement.
Here we are in Castle Square. The town laws were read out and displayed at the exchange cross on your left, and at fair time the money changers worked nearby. Close to the cross is the old well that supplied water for this part of the town. Some houses had private underground passageways and could draw their water from the well directly.
Cette tour du XIIe siècle, qui domine la ville de Provins, symbolisait le pouvoir des comtes de Champagne. Elle a servi de résidence de gouverneur, de prison, de grenier, de réservoir d'eau et de clocher, mais n'avait pas de véritable fonction défensive. Avec le palais et la collégiale Saint-Kyrias, elle était protégée à ses origines par la première sainte de Provins.
This massive 12th century keep tower was the symbol of the Count of Champagne's power and influence, but it had no real defensive role and was used over the centuries as the governor's residence, a prison, a grain store, a belfry and a reservoir. Together with the Count's Palace and St. Kyrias Church, it was originally protected by the first town wall.
Voici devant vous le dôme de la collégiale Saint-Kyrias.
The domed roof was built in its place. To this day, the inhabitants of the upper town are known as the Children of the Dome.
John Dark.
On peut descendre si tu veux.
Behind the college walls, on our right. At the end of this lane, we will turn left towards the castle square.
Dito na po tayo sa center ng village. So, since it's lunchtime, maghahanap muna kami ng makakainan bago tayo mag-continue ng pag-ikot. So, we're looking for a place to eat. It's lunchtime.
Voilà. C'est où? C'est où il faut aller?
Bien na magbaon tayo kanin.
And now we're going down. Where are we going? This way is where? We're exploring Provence. We're going down.
Yeah. Just walk. Keep walking.
We had a good weather today. It's 25 degrees. So hot. Ayan, hindi namin alam kung saan itong pababa na to.
Akala ko picture.
No, it's still video.
Oh lala, it's been long time guys. Ngayon lang kami ulit nakapag-voyage. Iba pa yung destination sa pinag-usapan.
Because it's holiday and there's not a lot of train. So, naiba ang aming itinerary for today. We are here at Provence. Souvenir shop here at Provence.
Yung ano na habang umiinom ka ng tea. Nasa bunganga mo na yan.
Yung alin? Honeybee.
Oh, te, puro honey.
Oh, really? How much is for euros? No, he's not drinking wine.
Rose wine. Liquor.
Rose wine as well.
Uy, katso. Oh my God. Kali.
So
Limonada. Ala rose.
so expensive. 15 euro. One bottle.
Nakabili na ako ng dito. This is yung
Souvenir shop.
honey souvenir shop.
The store of honeybees. Yes. Honey products.
Wine.
Honey milk.
In the mini store of souvenirs.
Honeys.
That's it.
Meow.
With some honeys, candies. Wala yung mga magnet